Hello, my name is Nigel Cox, and for about 15 years I've been a lecturer in horticulture and environmental conservation at Bridgwater and Taunton College, based out at our Cannington campus. And over those years I've seen the incredible effect that working outdoors and learning about outdoors has had on people's mental health. At the end of Mental Health Awareness Week, I thought it was a good time perhaps to reflect on some of the positive impacts that you can have from working in a garden. Like many of you, I've had mental health issues in the past, and we've all had at some time, and probably at some time in our life we'll have some form of mental health issues. And at this time of lockdown, some of those mental health issues have come to the fore, particularly things such as depression, feelings of isolation, and a sense of increasing anxiety. And with anxiety comes stress, and with stress comes physical lack of well-being as well as mental well-being. Now, I appreciate that not everybody has a garden. I'm lucky enough to have a garden, so I can go out in my garden whenever I want, and that enables me to find a sense of myself. But you don't have to have a garden. Go out and about, go outside. We can walk around, we can look at roadside verges, we can have a walk in the country, go and have a stroll on the beach. All of these things contribute to a sense of positive mental well-being. It is scientifically shown that if we get stressed, levels of cortisol rise and it makes us more and more anxious. But if we go outside and we focus on something such as some natural thing, then that will help us and reduce those cortisol levels and increase the serotonin and endorphins, which give us a sense of well-being. Over the years, as I've been teaching horticulture, I have seen the effect and impact it has on a range of people with mental health problems and other issues. And it's quite incredible to see the change when someone goes outside, starts to potter around in a garden, maybe do a little bit of digging, which of course helps physical well-being as well, and just looking at flowers. And the one thing I would urge you all to do is to be aware of your surroundings. Take a little time. Sometimes we don't spend enough time taking time. Take a little time to look at the flowers. Look at the way that they interact with other parts of nature, such as the birds and the bees. And if you haven't got your own garden, then walk along the street, look at other people's gardens, look at nature, look all around you, and it will help to get you through those difficult stages. It's not a cure-all for everything, but it certainly helps. Even older people, people with dementia, it's been proven that the sense of a garden can renew memories of maybe past times, happier times when they were young. All of these things can be used as a kind of meditation to promote mindfulness for yourselves as we work through this crisis. So, if there's one message, Mental Health Awareness Week is only a week, but mental health problems exist from week to week, from year to year. They don't go away. So if you can observe, be aware, and try and get outside, that's certainly going to help. It may not solve everything, but it will certainly help some things. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon.